Hello friends, welcome to our channel BONG Food PREYOSHI. Today we are going to prepare Katla fish fry. Here I have taken 4 belly pieces of Katla. If you want, then you can use Katla fillet also. Chopped coriander leaves, 4 green chilies, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger. Add water to boil the fish. Half teaspoon salt. One-fourth teaspoon turmeric powder. Friends, now add the fish pieces. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Don't over boil it, otherwise it will start to break. Keep it in mind, when you take it out of the pan, carefully handle it cause it may break. Here we will show you how to take out the bones. Just follow our steps. Here we are peeling off the skin. If you want, you can keep it also. Here we are done with all the preparation. Add salt according to your taste, but keep it in mind we already use salt in the time of boiling it. Add previously processed paste. Chopped coriander leaves. Half teaspoon lemon juice. Friends, marinate very carefully. Rest for 30 minutes in freezer. Here we are making breadcrumbs. If you want, you can purchase it also. We are back after 30 minutes. Now we will coat the pieces. Use your both hand, one for coating the fish with corn flour and other for coating with breadcrumbs. Now it's ready to fry. Add refined oil. Fry it medium to low flame. Now it's ready to serve. Thank you friends for watching our video.